Take my life and let it be, consecrated unto thee. Take my moments and my days, let it flow in endless praise. Take my voice and let me sing, always holy for my King. Take my lips and let it be real messages from thee, more every morning. Achọrọ m imetụ aka Jehova, achọrọ m ihu iru gị.